Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGLY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Problem is, this thing was, first off, it was a gap and trap. There's no doubt about that. This is a gap and trap. If you're not familiar with what I mean by gap and trap and that terminology, on Monday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened up right there. So that is where the gap comes into play. And it was a gap up because, well, the price opened up much higher than where it was. And then after the opening bell, price actually made its way up here. Some poor souls bought around this area. And then down it went from that point of view. So it's already been a gap and trap. But now it just becomes a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And it's not quite there yet. So you got to be fair, and you can't exaggerate and call this a pump and dump yet. But that is where, at least in my opinion, $1.10, very, very important level. And the reason why it is so important is, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to go down to $1.10 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.10. So yeah, it's a very brutal looking chart right now. Yeah, it's already been a gap and trap. But like I said, in the spirit of being fair, you can't quite call it a pump and dump yet. But yeah, if the price literally goes right back to where it started, being defined as down below $1.10, then that would be the nail in the coffin as far as a pump and dump is concerned. So yeah, things are looking shaky right now, but still 3 days left this week. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.